Morning, guys. Paul and Ryan here, PA Outdoors. It's snowing, but it is cool to hear all the spring birds are already up and out. We're in Berwick, Pennsylvania, my hometown. Of course, there was a dog bark, but we're gonna check this out. The old stone church, erected in 1808, a Methodist shrine. The first church of this, let's see what it says. The first church of this, let's see. The first church of this denomination in the North Branch Valley of Susquehanna. So there it is, and here she be. This is something I have never walked on, never checked out, even though I grew up 26 years, hung out in Berwick. And, it's just weird because considering all the times I did like black metal videos and pictures and stuff, we just never came here. We actually went to the cemetery, actually near where my house was, St. Cyril Cemetery, when we did pictures and stuff. So let's check it out. And the rule of the road that you learn when you live in Berwick is if you can easily get over the fence, you're allowed to be in there. That's the rule. So, but look at these cool pines. Let's see if we can go around here. Meet up with Ryan on the other side. She's over there taking pictures. All right, let's kind of get some looks. Oh, that's an interesting one. Chiseled stone. All right. Where'd this guy go back here? Oh, okay. That chiseled thing actually has a pretty good... I don't know when burials stopped happening here. Most of these are in the 1800s I've seen here. 1823. We're right next to Route 39 that comes down from Orangeville. So excuse the road noise. There was a, so this is there's a flag here, so he should have been. I'm trying to see, I can't see. Maybe he was a revolutionary. I'm not really sure. Can't see the date. I don't know. I can't see it. What does that say? 180. What's that say? 1807. Died 1807. So yeah, he's definitely in the Revolutionary War area. That's awesome. Revolutionary War soldier. He was 73 when he died in 1807. That's wow. Okay. That's an oldie. Look at that text. Awesome. Oh, it's lovely hearing all these spring birds, robins and everything having a good time. Look at this one. Big one. It's amazing. They come through so much more vibrant on the camera than in real life. Or to my, withered old eyes, I guess you want to call it. Man, they come really nice in the camera. Let's walk up to the front. Some of these are gone. They're gone. This is just awesome footage in general to be using in any kind of movie or whatever. That's the slow perusing through the graveyard is pretty cool, especially with the snow falling. Awesome stuff. Here's the whole courtyard. There's Marge. And the road up there, that goes up to Evansville Lake area. All right. Here we are just enjoying a very snowy March. Was it March 12th? 11th today?
10? 11.
11.
11.
March 11th out here in the snowy Berwick graveyard. And it is weird. I've never walked on this plot of soil before, which is weird because like I said, I lived here. I was born in 81 in here, so I mean I've lived here for 26 years at least, living here, and I've never been here until just now, which is weird. There's so many things in your local area. Maybe you go out and check out. But anyway, it's Paul and Ryan. We're having a good time. Mm-hmm. It's a little cold, a little chilly, but until next time, see you later. Bye. Cheers. Bye. Meow.